Are you a town or city struggling to stay ahead of pothole patching? Are your crews patching the same potholes week after week, or even day after day? Potholes cost municipals and motorists millions of dollars a year. But with the right equipment and processes, municipal organizations across the country can combat pothole repair head-on and give their citizens the smooth roads they deserve. Pothole patching can be broken down into a three-step process that, if followed correctly, will give your city long-term solutions to potholes. By taking 30 seconds to clean and prep the pothole, you're ensuring that you're starting with a strong base for your repair. Remove any debris or standing water by using a broom and backpack blower. After the area is cleaned, use a utility hand torch to dry the repair area of any moisture. Once the area is dry, apply a tack emulsion. Tack will create a tight bond between the repair area and new asphalt material. Arguably, the most important part of patching a pothole is the asphalt material. To be effective, asphalt must be used at its recommended temperature of 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Machines such as KM International's Asphalt Hotbox reclaimers maintain asphalt temperatures for up to 48 hours and can reheat excess material overnight to allow crews to patch potholes with quality material no matter the weather. When patching a pothole, apply enough material to leave the area about 1/4 inch above grade. That way, when you compact, you're left with a smooth transition and avoid creating a high or low spot. Achieving a high compaction rate will need to be done either using a vibratory plate compactor or roller, and performed when the asphalt is at its hottest point. By compacting the patch, you're reducing the voids in the asphalt and minimizing the chance of future water penetration, which is the main reason most potholes reform. Compaction is a particularly important step in the northern half of the United States, where the freeze-thaw cycle is most prevalent. By following these 3 easy steps, you will be able to offer long-term solutions to your pothole problems.